Hey y'all, welcome back to another fucking video. Y'all, come clean with me at 3 o'clock in the morning. And don't look in my eyes. Like, the only reason my eyes look like this is because I woke up mid-sleep remembering that I had to fucking clean the house. That was my only reason for not going in today on my off day. Okay, y'all, so we finna start with the kitchen. Fuck. No, but for real. Yeah. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It's 3 o'clock in the morning. Well, it's like 3:44 to be exact. And y'all, being a single parent and just really working a full-time job and trying to get to the bag and just trying to make sure your kids and you have the lifestyle that not only that you want, but the lifestyle that we need, y'all. We need a place to stay. We need food in the house. We need everything, y'all. I'm telling you. Sometimes I be fried. I'm not even gonna lie. Like, sometimes I be like, dang, I want something different. I want to do something different. And I'm not saying that I can't do anything different, but if I do decide to do something or make a decision, that decision has to make sure it fits around my kids as well too. Because I'm a mom. Like, at the end of the day, like, I can't just move freely how I want to and think that like it's okay. You know what I'm saying? The decisions that I make have to be very careful because I'm a mom at the end of the day. And people that say they don't need nobody, bro, that's a lie. That's a lie. Because without my mom, without my kids, dad, family, baby, I wouldn't even be able to clock the fuck in. Like, I wouldn't even be able to work because I have to have somebody to watch my kids. You know what I'm saying? While I go to work, while I get to the bag. So, y'all, and I just dropped a new video. So go ahead and check that out. Part 2 dropping today. And we just begun. Y'all, I'm really lit as a person. Okay, y'all. So, as you can see, everything is clean. I have this, but we don't even use that for real. Comment down below, like, if you live in a black household, am I the only one that be doing shit like this, even though I have that? But anyways, y'all, got distracted, made me some waffles, and yeah, y'all, I don't have my dining room table yet, so don't do me. But yeah, cleaned this area, as you can see, and yeah, we actually making progress, y'all. And I ended up changing because it got hot as fuck. But yeah, y'all, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It is currently 5 in the morning. I feel good. I feel great. I don't know why my daughter up at 5 o'clock in the morning, but we're gonna figure this the fuck out. Okay, y'all. Next is yeah. I don't even gotta say it. Let's just get to it. Okay, y'all. So let's just get to it. I got all this to fucking. So far, I got the papers situated. So really, it's just me doing like this is Leia's hair box. I think this I think the second shelf should be hair. This shelf should be like bath products, and then this shelf should be like, this shelf is really for like Jakai, like school and stuff to be able to work on during the summer, y'all. Y'all, I do not have my vlogging stick, so it's kind of hard to like record and clean at the same time. I don't know where the fuck my vlogging stick went, but I'm gonna have to buy another one. I done bought like 30 vlogging sticks within the past like months. I mean, I've been getting them from Five and Below. But yeah, I can't angle the camera to where y'all see me cleaning. So I'm gonna just clean it up and then I'm gonna show that after. Y'all, so if you know me from high school, because I have a few people like that still like, you know, that I went to high school with, that watch my videos, or they be like watching my stuff. Shout out to y'all. But y'all, if you knew me in high school, baby, I was a fucking beast in volleyball. Like, fuck is you talking about? Like, you can't tell me nothing different. But yeah, y'all. Go Lions, head ass. Okay, y'all. So I guess I could kind of talk while I clean. Um, it's currently 5 in the morning. I'm up. Like, I feel good. Yesterday was a really good day. Yesterday, y'all. Like, I've been pushing this. Like, I worked like what 4 days, 5 days straight in my job. And if you don't know, I work overnight. Baby, that overnight be having me dead as fuck. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Like, I'll be lying to you if I told you, oh yeah, overnight is easy. Baby, no the fuck it's not. Like, I be looking like somebody toe up Amy. My hair don't be done all the time. Cause y'all, like, I just be so tired. But I feel like that's the most important thing you can really do for yourself is like, even though that you be getting to the bag, you be working, single parent, like, it don't matter what you do. And I'm saying this for everybody. You don't always have to look like how you be feeling. Cause y'all, sometimes I be feeling so tired. I be feeling tired. I don't be gym motivated. But just because you feel like that, you don't have to look like that. And that's one thing that I'm like really trying to tell myself. Should I do this right here? This will probably be ghetto as fuck. Y'all, that's another thing. I do not know how to decorate. For me to be a girl, decorating is really not my like, yeah. I may have an idea of how I want my house to be or how I want my apartment to be or how I want my room to be, but I don't really know how to bring it to life, if that makes sense. Okay, y'all, so I finished. It don't look brand new, but yeah, we did that. So now it's just finishing up the bathroom. Don't ask me why I hung that in there. Don't ask me why I hung this, okay, in here. I just feel like it needed to be in the restroom. Now I gotta pick this up, put it outside. You see Leia potty train toilet. But yeah, I think it's giving. I'm not finna finish because I'm getting tired as fuck. But yeah.